Oh my god! What just happened?
It's a new week and we're gonna do some inside work this week. Because even though it looks super nice today, it's apparently gonna rain the whole week.
I don't see it.
That means we have to reorganize our little construction site.
And then we don't really have a plan what we're doing this week. Like, we're just gonna take you guys with us. It's gonna be like a week of building on our little house, but we actually don't know how it's gonna turn out. And in the end, we see how far we got.
Fair enough.
Let's do this. Baz had the brilliant idea to put this tarp up that he got from Portugal, from a festival. Also makes us feel a bit more like on a festival to save us from the rain, and so we can have all our tools in front of the house and the house door open. We're gonna put it up now. I call that a decent roof.
Yeah,
that's okay.
Why did we even build a house?
I can get used to this. Yeah, we can live here. Why are we? Yeah, exactly.
Okay, we put the ladder up. It's not yet screwed in or anything, and now we have to decide how we want to secure it to the wall and all, which seems easy, but obviously it's not.
So what we want to do now is getting this a little closer
to the wall.
Because this is like takes away so much space of this really small room. We were thinking to cut it here, like cut this piece out so we can just push the whole thing closer. But as always, we don't really know what we're doing, so
off to the drawing board.
This is one of Baz's famous
infamous
drawings that we usually use to build stuff in here.
Look at it. It worked so far.
Anyhow, we thought we're gonna try to make it a custom piece fitting to that small board there. So it's like a cutout like so. That's the plan. And we're gonna do this now.
Gonna rain today, man. I was so hoping it would pass us, but
usually we're lucky with that.
Yeah. But then it's good for the plants, so it's okay. This is not good for my personal well-being.
Oh no, Baz, you're in the wrong country.
I know. I should have moved to Denmark. I knew it.
Whoa! Don't say that. Sorry, people. No, we love Sweden. You know that. We are just gonna be fierce and fearless and just cut it now.
Yeah, if we mess it up, we can make new stairs, which is also a cool project.
What? No, we can't mess it up. No, but Baz is right. Like, if we cut this now, it's done. Like, we can't take it back. So, but we're gonna do it anyway.
Here goes nothing.
Okay. The moment of truth has come. Uh-oh. You're too close. Yeah. Still? No.
I mean, obviously.
Oh yeah, obviously. Oh my god, Baz. Okay, we marked where the stairs were, even though
now they're closer.
The whole idea was to get them closer, obviously. Oh man.
But it ain't bad.
It's not perfect.
Those steps are like totally anti-left people prefer the left foot, left leg.
Are you, because you're lefty, also left footy?
I don't know.
Is that a thing?
I think it's a thing. I don't know.
Ah, okay. We're gonna fix it, the few millimeters that are a bit off, and then we will put it in, and hopefully it fits.
It will work, yeah. Yeah, we should hurry.
We need to hurry up. Oh no. Yes, good. What's next on the list though of things to do? We don't know, let's see what's next. The time has come, people. Oh, I want to do this so bad. We are gonna cut out the walls that we just built. Yes, and I'm gonna measure. We want it to be symmetrically so that we have this cut out over here. So I'm just measuring. And then we're gonna demolish the walls.
We're gonna do a little test cut to see so that we don't mess it up afterwards, but we can't get the saw in just straight, so we're gonna drill a little hole just here.
That was
pretty satisfying.
That was heartless, man. Not even a hesitation. Just like
the wall feels if you hesitate, so you need to
scare it.
Yeah, that's gonna work. Fine.
That was the tiniest cut, and now we already know it's gonna work. Okay, yeah. I trust you.
I wouldn't. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Well.
I'm ready.
Wait. Tie your hair up. Okay, are you ready?
Take two, I'm ready. Let's do this! Woo! Fail. That did not work. We put a mattress down here, not for us to sleep, not yet, but for the wood to sleep, to fall onto, so it doesn't scratch our brand new untreated floor of the softest wood we have ever seen.
Sometimes I wish I was a little bit taller. We could live without chairs.
Meanwhile, it's absolutely windy outside and not so nice. It's raining, which, yeah, gladly we have this now. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. Ha! This fell in the wrong direction. Oh my god.
Well, hello.
This almost fell on me.
Good thing we put the mattress here.
Yeah,
super smart.
Here we have a little... Oh, that's not
No.
Or we leave it like this.
Nah.
Oh, it's like a little up. Wow, I love it already. Oh, look at that, people. It's open. Now this is the tricky part to get out now, because obviously it's attached up there. These are the boards, right? So it's obviously also attached up here, but that means we would need to cut in here, which we don't want because it's not so pretty. So what Baz is gonna try now,
I don't really know.
with this, to reach just that part here. You see? So that's what we're gonna do now. Hey, nice! Well done.
Smart.
Very smart, Baz. So cool. Okay, now for the down part. Nice shoes, Baz.
Thanks.
So now we're facing this problem now of not reaching with the electric saw, because how are we gonna get this board out now, right? So we're thinking we need to use the handsaw.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Yay, we broke it out!
Cut it out.
We cut it out.
We drilled it out.
We drilled it out, yeah.
I mean, here we did the nice cut, and here you can see we were like, no way, Jose. So.
Yeah.
But now we need to make it flush with the
power tool number 348.
Yes. Okay, let's do this. 0.5 first. That looks very nice and smooth. Wow. Yeah. We're gonna leave it like this now, and we are gonna get a machine that will scratch open the surface, because we're gonna treat the surface of the floor, and then we're gonna use that machine and hopefully we can make this even. So that was it now. This is way different now. This looks so cool. Look at that. Yes, this is cool. How's your motivation level for today? Great.
Mine isn't, I have to say.
Yeah, but I can see almost blue sky over there, so it's nice. It's better than yesterday.
It's like it's the middle of the week and we did a lot already, and now it's like a bit of motivation lack, but doesn't matter. That's normal.
We have to do it anyway.
That's okay, and we're gonna do it anyway. I'm not sure what exactly we're gonna do today, but we're just gonna go over into a little construction site and see what's
to do.
What of the many little things we're gonna do today. We got quite a few new subscribers, and I just wanted to welcome you real quick. Thank you for subscribing, and I hope you enjoy another week of semi-professional building. Looking at the house and then looking at this big pile of leftover wood, I'm not sure what we're missing. Like what happened on the way of building this that we still have so much wood left over? There's something wrong. Anyhow, we are gonna make the frames for all the windows and doors inside, and we are just gonna go on the hunt for the correct boards, which have to be somewhere here, and if not, we're just gonna cut them so they fit.
We've been cutting boards all morning for all the frames, and hopefully they all fit just perfectly. Lena's trying on the first one over here and looking good. And
yeah, it's not straight.
well, maybe it's also the door, you know, the door is super crooked.
Okay, we take it, eh? I mean, it's the same distance from here, so it's the door.
Okay, it must be the door.
It's the door.
painting.
Okay. Oh, good. The time has come to see if this board fits in between those. Nope. Oh no. Should cut it a bit more.
It's occupied. Ah, the sun came out!
That's so nice!
It's also super blinding.
Yeah, so we're gonna end the day for today. Wow, what a sentence. We just had our handyman over and we discussed the electricity plan. That was pretty exciting because we don't really know anything about lighting a house. Now we know a little more, and yeah, all the boards are up.
Yeah, all the frames.
Yeah, that was quite a productive day, I have to say.
And now we're off shopping.
Shopping groceries. Woo, Ika!